Oh man, my third grade friends, check out this new setup I've got going on here. So hopefully this will be a little easier, and we'll be able to understand and hear the math review a little bit better. So, okay, the first question of Thursday, October 1st, the math review. Again, give it a try first and then listen to this YouTube and see, correct if necessary. And if you come up with it a different way than I do, then that's totally fine. So, Delaney's favorite book is Trees in the Breeze. So I don't know if you remember last math review. That is something, it's just a little note. We don't really necessarily need it, but it, makes the story problem a little bit more interesting. The book has 85 pages of text and 145 pages of pictures. If Delaney is on page 197, how many pages are left to read? So hopefully when you were reading this story problem, you were able to see that it's a two-step problem. So the first step is going to be 85 pages of text and 145 pages of pictures. So first, we need to know how many pictures or how many are in this book. So I'm going to put 85 because I know there's 85, and then 145. So we have two. This is going to give us our total of how many pages are in this book. So I'm going to set this up standard algorithm. So 5 plus 5 is 10, so I'm going to take this 0, put it right down there, and carry the extra 1 up over here into the tens area. Now this is really, it's not 1 plus 8 plus 4, it's 10 plus 80 plus 40. So I know 10 plus 80 is 90, plus 40 is 130, so I'm going to leave the 30 here and move the extra 100 over into the hundreds column. So now I have 100 plus 100 is 200. So the book has 230 pages, but this is not where we're going to stop. The question is actually asking if she is on page 197, how many pages does she have left? So this is the total number, 230 pages total in the book. And Delaney has read 197. So, and we want to know how much is left. So, how many she has read. Okay. So now, it's a subtraction problem. This is going to get me to the answer of how many pages she has left. So, I have set this up standard algorithm again. So, I can't, if I have 0 and I take away 7, that doesn't work. So, I have to borrow 10. So 10 minus 7 is now 3. And I have 2, subtract 9. I can't do that, so I got to borrow over here. So this is going to be 12, or 120 minus 9, or 90. So that's going to leave me 3. And 1 minus 1, I can do that. So she has 33 pages left to read. Okay, there's that period. Now, number 2, 15 plus 15. You could also say that this is 15 times 2 because it's 2 sets of 15. We'll get into multiplication more as the year goes on. But 15 plus 15, so if you know how to do multiplication, go ahead and go. But 15 plus 15, 5 plus 5 is 10, so I got to carry that extra 1 over here, so, or the extra 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, so the answer is 30. Or I also know that 15 times 2, or 2 sets of 15, is also 30. Now this third problem right here, what fraction does this circle say? So how we figure out this is I'm going to draw a line, and the denominator, numerator, okay, so the, oh gosh, I get these mixed up, and I'll have to look this up, but 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 sections, so I'm going to write the number 4 under, I think this is the denominator, yep, pretty sure it's denominator. There are 4 sections that we're talking about. Now, I see that there's one section colored, that's the numerator, so the fraction that this circle is 1/4. So, if you wanted to write this in your notes or just keep apart, this is the bottom, or the denominator is all the parts, and then whatever the number of sum of the parts become. Okay, And again, we're going to be learning more about fractions this year, so that's really exciting. And we have been studying this, color pentagons, and we know pentagon, pent, means 5, so I am looking for objects that have 5 shapes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, that's going to be one of my pentagons. Let's check this side. That looks like a triangle, but I'm just going to check 1, 2, 3, not a pentagon. How about this one? This one looks like a quadrilateral because I can already see 4 sides, so I know that's not a pentagon. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a pentagon to me. So please go ahead and correct anything if you need to correct and get this submitted. Good job, guys.